Sour and bitter taste of food is due to A. Acid and base respectively, and B. Base and acid respectively. Your time start now. Its correct answer is option A. Acid and base respectively. Moving to the next question. Choose the correct statement for acid and base. Option A. Acid change blue litmus to red. Option B. Base change blue litmus to red. Option C. Acid change red litmus to blue. Or option D. Base change red litmus to blue. Your time start now. Its correct answer is option A and option D. Moving to the next question. Methyl orange is natural indicator or synthetic indicator? Your time start now. Its correct answer is synthetic indicator. Moving to the next question. What is the source of litmus? Your time start now. Its correct answer is lichen. Moving to the next question. What is the color of litmus? Your time start now. Its correct answer is purple. Moving to the next question. Name 4 olfactory indicator. Your time start now. Its correct answer is vanilla, clove, onion, turmeric. Moving to the next question. Which type of gas is produced when acid and base react with metal? Your time start now. Its correct answer is hydrogen gas. Moving to the next question. Name the product when sodium carbonate react with hydrochloric acid. Your time start now. Its correct answer is sodium chloride, water, and carbon dioxide. Moving to the next question. Name the products when sodium hydrogen carbonate react with hydrochloric acid. Your time start now. Its correct answer is sodium chloride, water, and carbon dioxide. Moving to the next question. When carbon dioxide is passed through calcium hydroxide solution, then a white precipitate forms. Name this white precipitate. Your time start now. Its correct answer is calcium carbonate. And that's the end of the question. If you have correctly answered more than 8 questions, then your basic concept is very good. Otherwise, you should focus on building your basic concept and solving more and more questions. So that's the end of the video. Meet you in my next video. Till then, take care.